Gonna be going to the beautiful Sunken Gardens here near Tampa. We got a buy one get one free coupon with a tourist map that we found, so we're gonna go check it out. To the historic, beautiful Sunken Gardens in St. Petersburg, Florida. So here's our map. Number 1 is the entrance, and number 2 is the Fountain Plaza. So here's the fountains, and this is right on the plaza.
It's Palm Plaza.
Number 4 is Oak Pavilion.
We are looking at the macaws. There's beautiful red ones, blue ones, really pretty.
Number 6 is the History Center. So we're going to go around to the other side so we can take a look inside. So here's the History Center. It's just a little building with some facts about the gardens over the ages. Number 7 is Orchid Arbor. And this is where they have orchids. They also have them growing up along the wall. And on the other side of the wall from the orchids is this nice little pond. And there's some little fish in the pond as well. So this is the Orchid Arbor area. Number 8 of their attractions are the flamingos. Here's the kookaburra hanging out in his cage. And here's a toucan hanging out in his cage. What a cutie. The toucan's noisy. Number 9 on our tour is the amphitheater. And here they got seating all around and a stage here in the middle. Number 10 is the tortoise. Here's the little tortoise encounter area, and he's hiding behind the corner right over here. After the turtles, there's this tranquil little waterfall spot. We sat down on a bench and just appreciated the sounds of nature here. Number 11 is another orchid arbor, and they got orchids hanging up from the trellis here. You can kind of see it's like 3D orchids. All right, pretty cool. So here's number 12. Number 12 is the growing stone. Here we are at the growing stone. It's going to make us fertile or something, right?
I hope not.
The rainbow eucalyptus. This is a giant tree with this rainbow trunk that leads up high overhead into the blue sky.
So this is number 13 on our list. It's the lower pond. And here's Sean looking at the beautiful pond and waterfall.
Here's the waterfall. This is the big waterfall that he put in to attract people to his gardens. Here's number 15. This is the photo ring. This looks like a remnant of the 1970s here.
Sean at Sunken Gardens.
This is the Heartstone Path, which leads to the wedding lawn. Number 16 is the wedding lawn. This is their wedding lawn, which offers a nice view of all the palm trees around. So this is the wedding lawn here at the Sunken Gardens.
So here we are at Sunken Gardens, number 17. It's the Coconut Grove, and there's Sean checking it out. And we saw some bananas too. beautiful. There's the coconuts.
Number 18 is the bridge and the koi pond. There's Tammy on the bridge overlooking the koi. Number 19 is meditation patio. Here's Tammy meditating on meditation patio. She looks so calm and zen. Number 20 is the pollinator's garden. So this is where they have places to attract bees and butterflies. Looks like the pollinator's garden attracted a lizard.
So here we are, we found number 21, the succulent gardens. And here's Mr. Sean checking out the succulents growing in the gardens. It's beautiful. Look at that one, it's tall. Pretty awesome, huh, Mr. Sean?
This is number 22. This is the north lawn. Here's Tammy looking at some of the flowers and enjoying nature at the north lawn.
Really pretty over here. On this beautiful pathway we found a fountain. Here's Sean. You gonna make a wish?
Yeah.
Ah, very nice.
Right before the exit and the gift shop, we got some tortoises on the move here. Check this guy out, man. And number 24 is the gift shop. Back at the beginning, from whence we came, started our journey.
I just want to check one thing.
Took longer than I thought.